Workday.com Management Honest Review Watch before using. Managing employees, payroll, and performance is more complex than most businesses expect. Workday is a cloud-based human capital management and financial management platform used by large organizations worldwide. It handles payroll, recruiting, training, and analytics in one system. The surprising truth is Workday uses real-time analytics to help leaders make smarter workforce decisions. Workday is best for mid-sized to enterprise companies that need deep HR and finance automation. Subscribe now for more honest business platform reviews. Title start Jazz HR hiring automation honest review watch before using title END script start Jazz HR hiring automation honest review watch before using. Hiring the wrong person can cost your business far more than just salary. Most people get this wrong, but here's why recruitment software can make or break your company growth. Jazz HR is an applicant tracking and hiring automation platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses. Its main goal is to simplify job posting, resume screening, interview scheduling, and team collaboration. Instead of juggling emails, spreadsheets, and notes, Jazz HR brings everything into one organized hiring hub. The surprising truth about Jazz HR is how much time it can save. Businesses report cutting their time to hire by up to half because resumes are automatically sorted and candidates are ranked based on job requirements. You can post your job to multiple job boards with one click, which instantly expands your reach without extra effort. Once candidates apply, Jazz HR lets you track conversations, leave internal notes, assign interview tasks, and send templated emails. For example, a small company hiring a marketing manager can see exactly which applicants passed phone screenings, who is waiting for interviews, and who received offers, all in one dashboard. Jazz HR also supports compliance tracking, which is critical if you hire in multiple regions. This helps protect your company from hiring-related legal issues. However, Jazz HR is not built for massive enterprise hiring at extreme scale. It is best for growing companies that need structure without overwhelming complexity. If your hiring process feels chaotic, Jazz HR can turn it into a predictable, organized system. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews that help you build smarter teams.